Well, hello everybody, and welcome to episode 10 of Friday Souls. I know, right? Haven't did a Friday Souls in a while. So if you are not familiar with Friday Souls, it was created by Jen from In Today's Sewing Room with Jen. She created this platform for us creatives to showcase our makings, okay, and also talk a little bit about life. And so I've had quite a bit of that. So why not do a Friday Souls to catch you up on a little bit about life and what I've been working on and future plans. All right. So if you are interested to know a little bit what's been going on in my life and also what I've been working on and some future plans, keep on watching. All right, everybody. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. And hello to my new subscribers. So glad you decided to join me on my creative journey. Let's ride this thing out together, okay? Now, it has been quite a while since I've did a Friday Souls. I'm very aware of that. And I want to get back into doing them. What I have noticed about myself just over these past sewing months, summer tends to be a little busy for me. So although I'm sewing, like, I don't be thinking about picking up the camera as often, okay? Because, I mean, you just want to be outside getting that vitamin D. You want to be living in the moment. And so that's that, okay? So I notice I like more fall, winter, and early spring sewing. I think that is kind of like my where I get a lot of sewing done. Okay, so those are some things I noticed about myself. Okay, so first things first, I want to talk a little bit about life, and then we're going to get into this. Okay, get into some things that I want to go over and what I've been working on. So, life, such a beautiful thing, you know. Um, so I've been having some things going on. I had two deaths in my family in September. You know, death is always unexpected. You know, it brings out a lot of different emotions. You know, um, and so you know that had me kind of away from from the sewing machine and not really wanting to so much be in it, you know, just kind of processing my emotions, you know, because then, you know, it's like when death happens, then you just get to thinking about a million other things. And, you know, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, you know, like, you know, it's really sad. So I did um go back to Chicago. If you're new here, I am originally from Chicago. I currently reside in Georgia. So I did get a chance to go back to Chicago to one of the funerals. You know, it's always nice to be around family. I got to see family that I haven't seen. You know, some family since I was a little, you know, and some, you know, a few years, you know. I hate that's the time that, you know, brings family close together, so to speak. Not so much even close together, but a lot of family around, you know, um, when certain circumstances like that occur, you know, but, you know, it kind of is what it is, you know, and for me being away, you know, it makes it that much more harder, you know. I'd be scared to pick up my phone, like, what happened now, because I'm not there, you know. And so, yep, working through that. And, you know, work has been crazy, you know, but, you know, blessed to have a job, right? Um, but yeah, people are crazy. Yeah, these jobs, you be trying to hold on to that little piece of sanity you have left. All right, guys, so Yeah. So that's life right now, right? Just kind of working through some grief and working through work stuff, and that's that. All right. So moving right along, let's get into what I've been working on. What? Y'all see my hair is really growing. I mean, I already kind of had long hair, but it's really growing out of control now. Okay, so guys, what I am currently working on and having a challenge is this here. I've been really wanting to make some wide leg pants. And so this Simplicity 9608 I thought was a good start for wide leg pants. And so I have been working on View A. Okay. And for this pattern, this is a Mrs. Pants and Skirt pattern. Suggested fabrics are batiks, challis, cotton blends, double gauze, soft linen blends, lightweight denim. All right. So it's a pretty simple pattern. I really like it. So like, once again, I'm doing View A here. Okay. And then there's a shorter view, and then you've got a skirt. I do eventually want to make the skirt. Not really interested in making these. I don't know how I feel about a crop wide leg pant because I'm short. And yeah, so that view's probably not gonna be for me, okay? But y'all, my fabric is unexpected, okay? So here they are. Now they're not finished. I still have to hem them and put the buttons on the side. But okay, so I'm gonna have to turn us. Okay, oops, we bouncing around and stuff. So I'm gonna have to turn us. And so here they are. Okay. These are the pants. And as soon as I get them done, I will take some pictures in them. Let's see if we can go down a little more. Okay. They're very, like, I've tried them on. I love the fit of them. I love the swing that they get, but I really wanted some upscaled wide leg pants that button on the side. So here's my dilemma. So the buttons, they go here. And, are we out of focus? 7 buttons on each side. So, a button that I had in mind. So if you can see the fabric, you know, it's black, red, and then it has like the gold here, okay? I wanted a button that was black that had just a tad bit of gold, right? That has been the biggest challenge of my life. Okay? Finding 14 of them, because I need 14 of them, okay? So I found some that I like, but not 14. Just want to fight the air right now. I just want to... It's making me so mad because I'm so ready for these to be done. I was thinking about going to Atlanta Frocktails, and I wanted to wear them. And I'm going to do a jacket, but I don't know exactly. I haven't decided on the jacket pattern. But I mean, I would love to wear these because the theme for Frocktails is, I think, Met Gala. And so, you know, typically, you know, people, Met Gala, you see all these exquisite and, let's see, eclectic dresses, you know, in formal wear. Well, this is formal. This material is a dress material. You know, it's formal. So I just thought that would be awesome to wear some pants. You know, it's out of the box, right? I want to start stepping out of the box, right? Because I can be very different, and and when it comes to things that I choose maybe to put together or wear, or whatever. So yeah, so these buttons are driving me nuts at this point. So I think I'm going to do fabric cover buttons. I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and go with, is fabric cover buttons. Because I can't seem to find what I want, you know, enough quantity of what I want. So I think I'm going to do the fabric cover buttons, and that will, I got to put the buttonholes in, buttons on, and then we're good. And then I can move on to the jacket or top that I'm going to make, and I haven't decided that yet, okay? Okay, so that is what I've been working on. I've been working on those. Are we out of focus? Are we out of focus, guys? I hope you can see. Okay, it looks like we popped back in. All right, so, yep, that's what I've been working on. Now, I need to do a pattern haul. I got about 1,000,001 patterns, y'all. I just... But the first pattern I'm excited to work on, and I might have already worked on it, maybe, is this here. This is Know Me 2046 by Beauty J'adore, and I love the dress, and I love the long top. Okay, however, I'm going to make this one here. Okay, I've already picked out my fabric. So I'll be working on that, and I want to get that sewn up very soon. So I hope to have that done next week to be able to show you for Friday Sews next week. And then also what I have to work on is a friend of mine is having her 60th birthday party. Woo! What a great thing. What a great thing, right? So I the theme is shades of nude, okay? And yeah. So okay, so maybe like champagne-ish gold is probably not a shade of nude. But that's what I'm working with. You know, I have in the past sewn things just to be sewn because I'm like, oh, that looks so nice to sew, or I just want to try it out. I really want to start making pieces that are more functional, right? Like I can get a lot of wear out of. That are working for me now, you know. Like I said, I really am going to have to go through my closet and get rid of. I got some stuff in my closet from probably over 20 years. Did I just say that? So, you know, I'm shifting. I want things to look different. I want to, I really want to create a wardrobe that's more functional for me, that meets me where I'm at in my life now, okay? So, with that being said, yeah, I will be using a champagne scarf, and I'm going to show you the material because I have it right here, okay? So this is the material that I'll be using, okay, to make my outfit for the party. Tell me what you guys think below about this material. This is something different for me, okay? This is something different. Yeah. So I'm going to use this. And so my idea is, I was going back and forth. Do I want to wear a dress? And I was like, oh, I don't want to wear a dress. I mean, I like dresses, don't get me wrong, but I'm more of like a jumpsuit and pant type gal. But I do love my dresses too. Don't get it twisted, okay? But I think I'm going to do a jumpsuit, okay? And I'm going to Frankenstein two patterns together. So if you don't know what that means, like if you want to say hack Frankenstein, so I'm going to use two different patterns to create my jumpsuit. The bodice, so the top, and then the bottoms, the pants, okay? And I will talk more about the patterns in the video next week for Friday Sews. So yes, guys, that is, so a little bit about life I've given you and what I've been working on. These pants I've got to get done. and what I'll be sewing up coming up for next week. And then, yeah, and then I'll show you the patterns that I'm going to use for the party outfit. Okay. So guys, so take each day one by one. Live to the fullest each day. Find your joy. Okay. And yeah, thank you guys for taking time out of your day to view my video. And please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I know y'all like, girl, where you been? You're not consistent. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's fall. I'm buckling down now. So anyway, but if you would please give this video a like, share it if you would like with someone, you know, who also likes to sew or likes to watch people make, you know, show things that they've made, whatever, you know, whatever the case may be. And be sure that you have on your notification bell, right? When I post a new video, you're notified. And also, guys, if you know, have just come across my channel, you know, I hope that you would consider subscribing if you've been here 1, 2, or maybe 3 times. All right. And let me know down below how you watch YouTube. Do you watch it on your TV, like with a Fire Stick or a Roku, or do you watch it on your phone? I do know that when watching videos on, you know, on a TV, like with the Fire Stick and the Roku, it is a little bit more complicated to like the video. Okay. So, yeah, just use your remote, do a little arrow up, little arrow over, give me a click, give me a subscribe. All right, guys, I'm getting out of here. I will see you next week in Friday Sews, episode number 11. And hopefully I have the numbers right. All right, stay blessed. Bye.